Okay, hi guys, welcome to my makeshift studio. I'm Gayle, I'm a glass artist, and I wanted to talk about this piece in particular. It's a piece that let me backtrack. There's many different ways of working with glass, and you can heat it up or you don't heat it up. And this one basically is not fired or fused in a kiln. It's just sheets of glass that I have cut. There's over 1,000 pieces of cut glass in this, and that's called cold working with glass. So basically this is an aluminum frame with many glass pieces, plate glass of different thicknesses, cut into small strips and staggered down on a tabletop. This is where I work to do it because it's a fairly big piece, and inserted individually and set with resin. So it's like a rock. It's not going to go anywhere once it totally sets up. The longest part is cutting the glass and then setting everything out and figuring out exactly where I want pieces to be, what length and how to cut them precisely. This is a favorite piece of mine, and the reason for that is the edges of the glass are raw, and that rawness really catches the sunlight, and the reflection and the power of the light, depending on what time of day it is so beautiful. Indoors or outdoors piece, but I like to keep it inside and look through it to see the outdoors.